Well, this isn't a good start to a Monday. We've had a bearing failure here. It got pretty hot in here and violent. So I don't know if we're going to be able to get this one going, but we'll give it a shot. Alright, so looking at this, set screws obviously are stripped out. Going to have to, I'll remove this, and maybe we can cut that inner bearing off the shaft and salvage that, get this back up and going. It did a number here. I don't know how they didn't hear this. Well, that came off pretty easy. Alright, this is what we're going with. See if we can get that thing off of here. Looks like we're not the first ones here. Somebody's cut through a bearing before. We have a repeat offender. Had the shim in here before. Yeah, we're on our way. I'm waiting on a hub to get delivered and a new sheave. We'll get this bolted down and a standstill until I get that part. Alright, new sheave has arrived, our hub. Let's see if I can get this thing going here. Alright. Just need to slide the motor back, tighten up that tension, our back bolt, of course, the recessed part here, I guess the nut that's welded in there. Get this out of the brake. So this side I can pull back because I think it's twisted at just a slight angle, but we'll get her done. Here we go. Alright, enough of that. Let's get these panels back on and get the air flowing. Alright, that's gonna do it. Drive is moving. Alright, appreciate you all watching, and drop some comments, like, subscribe if you haven't, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.